motivasi anda mengekalkan keputusan yang cemerlang?
For me it's actually I do the basic things lah actually. I just study lepas habis kelas, lepas tu datang kelas lah setiap hari. And then for me, I keep a good in touch with the TTOs and jangan make TTO marah kadang-kadang. Just duduk pun kalau boleh duduk depan, boleh faham terus. Kalau tak boleh tanya terus. Jangan malu-malu lagi dah.
Apakah kata-kata semangat anda untuk semua pelajar?
Kata-kata semangat untuk semua pelajar, belajar bersungguh-sungguh. Dan jangan lupa turun aktiviti riadah juga. Saya sebagai esko sukan tolonglah turun aktiviti riadah sebab kita kena bangkitkan balik aktiviti kesukanan dekat CFI ni. Macam tadi kita tengok ada reward-reward macam rugby, taekwondo dah start naik. So korang semua kena ambil inspirasi untuk sama-sama naik.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apakah maklumatun bagi menjalankan program ini?
Alhamdulillah, matlamat dia pastikan kita nak make sure student-student kita dia terasa bersemangat. Apabila kita adakan student assembly ni, pertama sekali kita nak introduce and welcome the new students. At the same time, we also want to welcome back the returning students. Now, beyond that, we wanted to acknowledge, recognize the efforts, the success stories, the achievements of our students. Today is a big day. We have 3,000 over students and 89%, that's a big percentage of our students that achieve CGPA 3.0 and above. That is by mile a much better achievement compared to last year. We have series of students just now that also receive awards for having 4 flat for many consecutive semesters.